Open your web browser and type find.synology.com. Click on Connect button to continue. Check the box and then click Next. Click Continue and wait a moment. Click Setup, and then Install Now. Check the box and then OK. Sit back and relax for about 10 minutes for it to finish installation. Click Start button to begin. Here, you can define your device name and create your first administration account. Check the box and click Next. You can select an option, but it is recommended to keep default value and click Next. Click Skip for now and then Submit. That's it. We'll learn how to create storage pool and volume in the next video. Thank you for watching. And have a wonderful day.